It's so hard. There. That is better. Can I have the first one?
Crunchy.
Well, how come it
It's so hard.
wait, that. Don't eat the end, Mama. This one. This is what I like. That one.
That's what I like.
You eat the end because this is softer in the middle.
Grandma's like, no, that's mine.
It's so hard.
Good. It's softer in the middle.
Delectable.
Here, Bo. Okay?
Is it hard?
Is it good? No, it's not.
No, it's good.
It's just crunchy outside.